ang narcissist ang predator, ikaw ang prey. Kung ikaw ay nasa narcissistic relationship, meron kang asawang narcissist, meron kang jowang narcissist, may ex ka na narcissist, so meaning to say, naging prey ka. At siya ang predator. Ang narcissistic relationship, we can call it a symbiotic relationship. When we say symbiotic relationship in biology, syempre may dalawang organism na merong relasyon sa isa't isa and may mga klase yan. So, ang narcissistic relationship, pupwedeng dalawa yan. Pupwedeng yung parasitism, ayun yung symbiotic relationship, or another one is predation. So, what we are analyzing right now is predation. So, ang nangyayari, no, ikaw ang prey, siya ang predator. So, when we say predation, so yung predator, no, kinakain yung prey. Pero ang point ko rito is not literally kinakain ka. So, ikaw ay kinakain unti-unti, no? So, yun 'yon, no? Sinisira ka unti-unti. So, what's happening here is sinisira yung buhay mo. Sinisira yung mental health mo, sinisira yung physical health mo. And then in the long run, you will die, no? Not specifically na namatay ka, but you die, no, inside. No, namatay yung iyong internal. So, anong ibig ko sabihin na namatay yung internal mo? Namatay yung internal mo in a way na ikaw ay hindi na ikaw yung dati, no? Hindi mo nakilala yung sarili mo, ikaw ay sunod-sunuran na, ikaw ay feeling mo mamamatay ka pag wala na siya, pag wala siya, hindi ka na makaalis dun sa relationship. And then if you will analyze and look back doon sa history mo, hindi na ikaw yon. So you're dead. So yung dating ikaw patay na yon, no? But it's not too late. No? The good news about it is once you remove yourself in a narcissistic relationship, the predation will stop. So mawawala na yung symbiotic relationship na predation, na ikaw yung prey, siya yung predator, no? And the good news about this one is I analyzed this and I found out na may mga pangyayari kung saan yung prey ay nag-evolve. So kailangan mag-evolve ng prey. So kung ikaw ay prey at ikaw ay nasa narcissistic relationship, you need evolution. Kailangan mag-evolve ka. So paano ka mag-evolve? Simple lang, no? You need to learn how to manage yourself, how to manage the relationship pag nandyan ka sa ganyang situation. So basically, you need to know yung mga gray rock method, no? Yung how to take good care of your mental health. You need to be aware, you need to be familiar, you need to familiarize yourself doon sa ugali ng narcissist. Do not personalize and a lot of things about dito sa narcissistic relationship. And you know what's that? That is what we call evolution. So, meaning to say, nagkameron ng tinatawag na evolutionary arms race. So, this relationship forces you, no, to change. So, nag-a-adapt ka. So, this is what we call adaptation. So, etong pangyayaring ito ay mag-lilid, no, para maging lalo kang malakas. Lalo lumakas ka. Ibig sabihin, you will change from weaker or the weakest going to the strongest. It is possible. Posible yan. Pinalalakas ko ang loob nyo dahil totoo yan. Possible yan. No? So, in in the long run, pwede kang maging awakened empath or pwede kang maging malupit na nilalang yung dark empath. But ayaw ko namang dumating kayo sa point na maging dark empath kayo kasi delikado yon. Magiging kayong magiging kayong malupit. No, so what I'm trying to say here is mag-evolve kayo para maproteksyonan nyo yung sarili nyo, makawala kayo dito sa ganitong klase ng relationship. No, I hope that you will become a hunter. So, hunter ng mga narcissist, no? Not to kill, but to eliminate them in the society by exposing them who they are. So, in that way, no, you're hunting those people just to help other people, yung mga biktima. Just like I'm encouraging you to educate other people so that they will be saved from predators like mga narcissists. Okay? So, I hope it helps. So, ganun na lang, no? So, the prey, which is you, must evolve stronger, no? Maging malakas yung defenses ninyo para na sa ganun you save yourself from and you save other people to hunt the predator and then save the prey. See you in my next content. Bye for now.